sing that shit.
But what do I like about this thing? It's lightweight, it's very tiny, very small, 1500 PSI. I can get the nozzle with 1500 PSI and using the right tip, maybe like a 45-degree tip, and lower the pressure. I can get pretty close to the paint to blow off bug guts or whatever without having to scrub it, yet I'm not being dangerous on the paint or ruining the clear coat. If you're using 3000, 4000 PSI and getting this wand too close, you're being way too over aggressive to begin with. That's nuts, that's crazy. By Greenworks, it's electric. It doesn't make a tremendous amount of noise. When I'm working with the wand and I pull the trigger, it's the only time this thing comes on. It makes a little bit of noise. It's not overpowering, it's not extremely loud in my customer's driveway like a gas-powered power washer. I don't have to worry about bringing fuel with me. When I release the handle, it shuts up. It doesn't talk anymore. It's quiet. It's not like me. It doesn't just keep rambling on and on. So that's my opinion about the Greenworks 1500. Completely appropriate, wonderful if you want to have a power washer, easy to transport. It's got a long cord on it. I think it's like 30 feet long to be able to plug it in. The only problem with the Greenworks that I'm kind of, it's not a problem because it's an easy fix, but I just wanted to throw it out to you. The hose that it comes with is 25 feet long. I don't like this thing. I actually bought another hose. It's about 50 feet long. It attaches to the Greenworks power washer just fine. Also, too, I would recommend maybe putting some quick disconnects on the end so you're not unscrewing this and unscrewing it from the wand. Just easier to have quick disconnects. You can just plug it in, away you go, no problem, real easy to use. But the Greenworks 1500 PSI, plenty of power, plenty of pressure, completely appropriate, not overkill. I can clean out the inside of wheel wells. I can blow out the undercarriage in a car if I'm doing undercarriage detailing. Yes, I offer that, believe it or not. It's a great way to make some extra money. Not a lot of detailers do it.